Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to cover our canvas visit, and along with that guys we are going to make a project with using canvas, that is a simple paint app. Okay, so and if you haven't watched our previous parts of tutorial Tkinter Python, so link is the description, and also our project, so link is also in the description for that. Okay, so let's start. So first of all we have to import Tkinter. So from Tkinter we'll import everything. So import star. Okay, now we will define a screen. Okay, that is Tkinter window. Okay, now give its geometry. Okay, so screen dot geometry, let's give it 500 by 250, 500 only. Okay, now let's create a canvas. Okay, so remember guys, C will be capital, and as we are using canvas in screen, so in screen, and height we are giving it 400, width 250. Okay, as guys in, oh, let's make it 250. Okay, now guys, as in paint app, for making paint app, I am declaring that after I am binding the canvas, that if we double click on the canvas, then whatever we want to draw, we can draw on that canvas part. Okay, so for that I am binding canvas to b1 motion, means when we will double click, okay, to a function paint. The function name is paint. Okay, now so okay, now let's give it text on the top, that okay, screen label. Okay, text will be equal to double click, double, not tap click. Okay, to and draw, drag to draw. Okay, means whatever you want to draw you can drag and draw. Okay, so al dot pack. Okay, or c dot pack also. Okay guys, now screen dot main loop. Okay, now we have to make our function, that is paint. Okay, so first of all I will give it a title. So let's screen dot title, means I am giving the title of my Tkinter window. Okay, that is my, or you can say paint app. Okay, a simple paint app. That's now define paint. Okay, in paint first of all we have to define our coordinates. So okay, and also remember guys to write here event, because when double click is an event. Okay, and now we have to write the coordinates. So x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, that will be equal to event dot x, means at that point x coordinate -3. Okay, and at that point event dot y -3, means y coordinate -3. Okay, and x2 will be at that point x coordinate +3, and at that point x y coordinate +3, event dot y +3. Okay, event dot y +3 means at that y coordinate +3 at that event. Okay, now let's name color. So color, let's take the color as red. Okay, okay, red. Now let's move further and use canvas. So c dot create line means we are joining our coordinates where we have dragged that pointer. Okay, so create line x1 y1 to x2 y2. Simply guys, we can also make rectangle types, that I will tell, don't worry. Okay, so fill color equals to color, which is red. Okay, now let's run and see how it looks. So as you can see guys, let's double click. Okay, as you can see, okay, that's too small, let's make it a bit large. So for that, let's create it as 500. Okay, and width also 500. Okay, now let's see. Okay guys, now first double click, then drag. Okay, so let's write our channel name. Okay, so as you can see guys, we can make a simple pen tab like this. Okay, let's do something else. So okay guys, now what we can do, as in the previous part we were just drawing a line from our coordinates while we are dragging the pointer. Now we will create rectangles where we drag our pointer. So for that, process will be same. So let's see how we can make this. Okay, so just c dot create line, replace it by c dot create rectangle. Okay, so c dot create rectangle. Okay, now let's run and see. Okay, so as you can see guys, there are rectangle, it is made up of several many rectangles. Okay, okay, and in canvas visit using, you can also make shapes like let's make a rectangle as we are making. So let's make a rectangle. Change the coordinate, let's give it 100, 200 and 200 and 300. Okay, now let's run and see. Okay, so as you can see, here is a rectangle. Sorry, let's fill it with the color. Fill red. Okay, let's run. Okay, so when you will click, it will show a rectangle. Okay, so as you can see, this is the use of the canvas window guys, and also that's it for our Tkinter Python tutorial. Okay, and as you can see guys, on the screen, that we have also made several projects using Tkinter Python and games also, so you can make that with the help of, and links are given in the description. So hope you have enjoyed guys. Thanks for watching and thank you.